Hi everyone! Do you like to present like this? Follow this tutorial and learn how to do it. For first step, insert your picture. Right-click on your slide, go to Format Background, Picture or Texture field, insert and choose your picture. Do it for other slides. Now go back to slide 1 and insert shape. Go to insert and choose circle. Draw a circle and cover the whole of slide. Copy twice of this circle and make them smaller and put it in the middle. Copy again and make it smaller. Select all circles, go to Align, choose Align Center, and then Align Middle. Now, select all of them. Go to the right-click, go to the Format Object, and choose Slide Background field. Now, go to the Shape Format, choose Shape Outline, and put it in a white and change its transparency to 50%. Now select all your shapes and copy them to other slide. After you paste your circles, you should rotate your circles. Select the middle circles and rotate it. And then select the smaller one and rotate it in the other way. Now, go to the third slide, paste your circles and move them again. Now, for last step, select all of your slide, go to Transition and select Morph Transition. Let's see what's happened. Go to Slideshow. Yes! You've done that! You can do it for your business and show your projects or anything that you want as same as this tutorial. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot!